Okay, we're gonna try and show you how to put this Amstar Nostalgia 50 rim and new tire back on. I got a Michelin City Pro here. Got it mounted up, marked it so the guy can get the right rotation. Anyway, on this you got a brake side. Brake. We were showing that. Brake. You have a brake side. This is probably the easy part. There's your brake side. You spin it around. And on this side, you'll see I marked the rotation so the guy gets it correctly. This is the chain side and gear side. So let's see if I can show this. This is your gear side here. Now on here is a small O-ring that came off. This has to go back on here. It just came off of here. I didn't want the guy to lose it at the shop that I took the tire to, so I want him to rim up my new tire and not screw this up. So on here you'll see 4 holes. On the back of this gear assembly, you'll see these little tab thingies, and that's your gear, your chain. This has to go in facing the proper way through the bearing. Pretty much that's your assembly. See how it sticks out? That goes into your chain guard, which is over there. Anyway, you gotta pull all Humpty Dumpty together here, which is fun and exciting. Make sure this is lined up. It's hard to do this with one hand. And that's fully seated. You just basically line these things up here. Which, if you're new like me, it's gonna be fun. There you go. So that's your gear assembly there. Hopefully you can see it on camera. It's sitting on the wrong side. I put a picture up earlier of the teeth on here. I believe it's a 38, 428, 38. 428, 36. I can't read it right now because I'm upside down. I'll post it down in the comments. Anyway, you get that all together, and you get to fight and now put this back on the actual bike, which, you know, is fun. There's also a spacer, which I'll show you in a moment, that has to be put in place on the brake side. Sorry, I got traffic going by, but this is my life at this point. This is your giant bolt with the spacer. Spacer goes on the brake side, on the outside of the brake. After you get all this lined up and back in position, I left the right tensioner on just so I know what side's right and left, because, you know, I work at Walmart during the day, so it is what it is. So basically, you're gonna roll this in under the fender. You should be able to get it without having to remove your fender. And see if I can do this by myself. That'll be a hoot. Goes proper, whatever that means. It's gonna get ready to rain on me again. Anyway, you roll this under here. That one, wow, thank God. It's kind of in a position. You gotta rotate this giant piece in because of the way it's set up. Sides in. That silly spacer bolt thing. Again, this whole thing is loppy. That's the word I'm going to use for today. Loppy. New word. Get your bolt ready. Do what you got to do. Get your spacer ready. On the right side, which is tight fitting and everything's falling apart, as you can see. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a fun project for me. Damn it. So you can see how much fun this really is. There we go. Seat. Do this, here we are. Have fun. Yes. Okay. Just hold on for a minute. You remember, as you're doing this, you got bearings and everything else to fight with, so it's definitely quite a task here trying to manhandle this. And if you forget a step, you're pretty much going to be screwed. Lift. Wiggle. Lift. People will be like, how hard is it? It's pretty damn hard. The point is to get the bolt through from the right to left. You definitely want to take off your exhaust on the right, okay? Don't do like me and try and fight with it. Now it's going to start raining. So, you know, I'm going to cut the video short. This is probably how it's going to sit for the night because I'm getting screwed. Anyway, maybe we'll resume later. Thank you.